little artists. Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw Fairy Girl. First, I'm going to draw her head, hair, let's draw her eyes, her beautiful big eyes. Now I'm going to draw her nose and mouth, her body, her beautiful dress. She's wearing a frock. It's time to draw her feet. It's a little girl. Let's make her fairy. Her wings. It's like a butterfly. It's time to color this beautiful little fairy girl. I'm using light pink color. You can use any color of your choice. Kids, do you like to color? Now I'm using yellow color to color the bow and her shoes. Light blue, light gray color, light green color, orange color, purple color, dark blue color, pink color, orange color, it's time to color her hair. I'm using yellow color. Our little fairy girl is complete. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.